USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share first. And then below the video you have some links. It says swing like a pro, and then if you can book consultation if you want to talk to me one-to-one, and then you can always join my free Telegram. So if you click on this swing like a pro, you will come to this page right here. Go and check out all these videos, the setups which we have taken in the recent past, and you can see how this works. Okay, so go and spend your time, check out all these short videos, and then join this program if you want, and come back here. Anything else? So let's get back to the chart right here. So this is daily. So let's get to the weekly time frame for our top-down approach. What's happening in weekly? Weekly, we're above the EMI, so look for longs. In daily, we are above the EMI as well. But let me tell you a secret, not secret, but the way things are with USDCAD right now, it is touch me not pair. Okay, I'll prove this to you. Touch me not. So you see, it started going down. No chance here of entry. Okay, it went down. There's no chance of entry here. It went up. No chance of entry here. You know, it kept going up. It kept coming down. Again, it kept coming down. No chance of entry. It kept going up, down, consolidation, and then it kept going up. It kept coming down. No chance of entry. It kept going up. Do you know what I mean? This is called a touch me not pair. I mean, you can trade it if you want some short entries, okay? But looking at the daily time frame, touch me not, touch me not. Where will you find the entry, right? So coming back to 4 hour, we are above the EMI, so we have to wait for a pullback. You know, in all time frames, the trend is long or up. So look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour. But for me, I would say avoid USDCAD. You can trade Euro USD, GBP USD, IUD USD. So this is a touch me not pair for now. Avoid it. But if you want to enter and exit with me, then join the Swing Like a Pro program, and you can enter and exit with me. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Take care.